book review or another read to me video.
I told you.
It's not a toy review though.
Yeah. We can bring our toys and we can bring our toys and we can do a video of them and then we are doing Mommy will be downstairs in a minute we can do a toy video of that.
Maybe later, okay?
Yeah.
So anyway, we are going to be reading a book from our favorite author, Mo Willems. And it's from the Elephant and Piggie series,
Hey,
or
Mommy.
books, I mean. And we're going to be reading Pigs Make Me Sneeze. I don't think that is really possible unless you're allergic to pigs. Look at Gerald in the beginning of it.
Hi, Mommy. BriBri.
What?
That yours book?
No, it's the library book.
Yeah, your library.
The elephant is Gerald, and the pig is named Piggy. That's Piggy.
Yeah, that's Piggy. I like the Piggy the best.
You like Piggy the best?
Yeah.
I like Piggy the best since he's adorable.
I like Piggy best because he's adorable.
Why do you copy everything I say? Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want yes. A what? A ball, a swim, a hat? Choo! Look at Piggy, he's flying. He's flying backwards.
Just like an airplane.
Yeah, but I don't think airplanes fly backwards.
No. And Wobbles, skateboards fly up in the air and turn around.
Yeah, Rubble, yeah. From Paw Patrol. Sniff, are you okay?
And blow dozens off.
I do not know. Choo! Piggy's upside down.
Yeah, I'm being good in this year, Mom.
Yes, you're doing a good job. I cannot stop Choo!
Chew. How'd you not blow?
Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo!
Achoo.
Look at Gerald. He looks weird.
He looks like an elephant.
He is an elephant.
He looks like an elephant by it. But he doesn't
What?
have legs.
What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye, Gerald. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too.
And Mommy.
Thud.
BriBri.
I do not think pigs make you sneeze.
BriBri.
I do not think cats make you sneeze.
BriBri.
1 minute, Bubba.
I think you have a cold. A cold? You're sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Piggy got a cold from Gerald, I think. Hopefully they don't get it.
Pigeon.
You found the pigeon.
The pigeon got a gold too.
What we love about these Willems books and is that when he has the Elephant and Piggy series books, at the end of the book, he hides the pigeon. But what the pigeon?
Because he also writes which books.
Mom,
Don't let the pigeon something.
Mom.
And he writes the Pigeon series books too, right?
Yeah.
Those are really good books too.
He has a gold. A pigeon.
The pigeon has a cold
He's
because it does. Oh, let me see. I see. Wow.
And Mom, Mommy.
Go over there and tell me why.
We have to cut 2 big nails.
Okay, we'll cut your nails after.
Don't cut the nails.
Okay.
After.
Did you like that book, Bubba?
Yeah.
Do you want to ever read it again?
I want to.
Yeah.
I loved it.
These are good books,
And I
right?
like Piggy.
Lots of first graders love the books.
I like Piggy.
They're easy to read and they're funny, right?
Yeah. Once I was in the library and there was a huge line, like half of my first grade class waiting to get a book of these.
Wow. I bet they're gonna be great books for you when you start reading too, buddy.
Yeah, lots of first graders love them. What's your favorite part about this book, Dante?
But he sneezes.
When he sneezes, it's
And
funny.
my favorite part about the pigeon and about the sneeze.
About the sneezing. How about you?
My favorite part in this book is when Gerald
It has a spice helmet.
finds out that he isn't allergic to pigs, so he can still be friends with Piggy. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give this book?
To BriBri.
2? That isn't really a good score.
I
You
give
don't
it-
really like this book?
I liked it.
Then do you want to give it more than a 2?
Yeah.
What number now?
2 or 3.
I don't think he quite understands that type of thing. How about you? What would you give it?
I would give it an 8, since I really liked the book.
So you like the book. All right.
I give it a really.
Yeah, really like the book. How about just a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Was
A
it a thumb
thumb-
up?
Thumbs up is like
It's
8.
good?
Yeah.
Thumbs down was a not good book. So which was a good book? All right, thumbs
Double
up.
thumbs up.
All right, that's
Two
easier
thumbs
for him
up.
to do.
And please hit the subscribe button.
Thank you for watching.
Put
Please
a
like and subscribe. Bye.
And put a subscribe button.
Put a subscribe button. We will.
And
Okay.
like this video, please.
And we can do a 5 times here for big eggs.
All
We
right.
don't have any more.
Say bye.
Bye.